So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, and you've heard about, of course, Summerlin, one of our master plan communities, and more importantly about Taylor Morrison, a builder in the Red Point area of Summerlin. Well, in this video, we're going to take you through one of their beautiful single-story properties, and that particular one is going to be the Sunflower. And stick around to the end of the video because we'll show you a link to that next video that you want to see as far as their second floor plan. So with that being said, guys, as we always say, let the show begin because we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to our channel, make sure that you tap the bell down below for the notifications and make sure you subscribe in regards to getting information about everything that there is to know about here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area. We get emails and texts from people just like yourself every day looking for help in regards to moving here in 9 days or 90 days, whatever that may be. So please continue reaching out to us, guys. We'd love to make sure that we can help you guys in regards to whatever information you need about real estate as far as purchasing and buying here, buying and selling here, I should say, here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area. With that being said, let's jump into this beautiful Taylor Morrison single-story property and show you some of the interior of this beautiful home. So guys, we hope that you enjoyed this beautiful tour of this Taylor Morrison property. Let us know if you have any questions about this property. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Definitely that, and we will see you in our next video. Take care, guys.